So, hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Talk Through Thursday. Namaskar Anjali ji. How are you? कैसे हैं आप?
Stay, good evening. Thank you, Barkha. I'm doing good. How about you?
Doing good, thank you. And it is my pleasure to have you on this podcast today. It's such an honor to talk to you and gain those insights from you.
It's an honor for me as well.
So, let's add some fun to our chat with a game segment. We have got Would You Rather. For this, I'll be presenting you with two challenging scenarios and you have to choose which one would you rather do. After choosing, you have to explain the reasoning and let's go started. Are you ready for it?
Yes. Of course, a little bit of palpitation, but yes, I'm ready. Challenge.
Yeah. All right. So first one is, would you rather teach a room full of toddlers or a room full of teenagers? Like both can be challenging in different scenarios, of course, but what would you prefer and why?
Teenagers, not toddlers now. I think I'm done with toddlers and teenagers is a better option for me. And मैं अब बहुत छोटे बच्चों को handle, I think I'll not be able to do as well as I did years back. So maybe I don't have that kind of a patience and I can't run after them as much.
Yeah.
But yeah, teenagers, I think I'll be better off handling because I
At least
wouldn't
they'll be
probably need to.
sitting. Of course.
Yes, at least they'll sit. And as I mentioned, my knees are going bad. So वो
Yeah.
मेरे से भागा नहीं जाएगा अभी.
Okay.
इसलिए.
Oh my God. But you had both experiences and that's good.
I've had.
Of course.
Rather अब तो मैं बड़ों को बात वो करना चाहूँगी.
हाँ.
Not teenagers also.
So, would you rather write a novel or teach a university course? Like, both can require deep commitment and expertise, and I must say, you have that all. But which would you rather choose right now?
Teach in a university.
Oh. And
I
which
like,
subject,
yeah.
which topic you would want to go ahead with?
Even if it's something to do with soft skills training or teaching
would be
botany, because botany is my passion, or HR, any of these, whatever I've done so far, I could pick up any of these. But
I
yeah,
think
definitely.
they're budding individuals, the soft skills would be good to them.
And I have done sessions in universities on soft skills, and my students have, received it. The students have received it very well. They were very happy with it, and I know I can connect with them very well. That is why I would love to go to university and teach. That would be really nice. In fact, I gave up the opportunity to do MPhil in botany. Had I done it that time, I would have been a professor somewhere, a botany professor.
You look like one, by the way. Abibi.
I look like one. I look like a botanist.
Okay. So again, would you rather live without your smartphone for a month or without your favorite book of the year? What would you rather?
I will download my book and then keep my smartphone with me. Why not have the best of both?
Smart.
I will do that. Yeah, definitely.
Life without smartphone is like will stop everything. Pause हो जाएगा एकदम जिंदगी में. I mean, of course, we know we should prioritize कि किस time और हमें कैसे करना चाहिए. We should manage the time accordingly. But smartphone is a necessity these days.
Everything, even the book is a necessity.
हाँ, but
It is
you
food for
rightly
thought.
said कि उसको download कर
For thought.
लेंगे.
बिल्कुल पढ़ेंगे जरूर, दोनों चीजें करेंगे.
Wow, beautiful. Okay, so would you rather go on a 1 month vacation anywhere in the world or stay at home with no work for the same duration? What would you rather choose? Adventure or relaxation?
Vacation. Even
Oh.
if it's not adventure, I would love to go to different places, meet new people, understand new cultures,
Yeah, explore the world.
explore the heritage, everything. I would love to do that. And then maybe I would write a book about it.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. I would be the
Definitely.
first reader of that book. Please
I would love to
I-
pen my thoughts and
give
my
me the signed
experiences
copy.
there. Once I get the opportunity to do that, travel the world, I would love to write a book about it. But I would like to see it with my own eyes, experience it before I put it on paper.
Definitely. So lastly, would you rather be a successful author? You already just mentioned about it. whose books are never adopted into films, or a film director whose movies are never written down as books? What would you rather choose?
Definitely from these two, an author. I would prefer being an author.
What?
Even though my books may not be converted into a movie, that doesn't matter. But
Wow.
in that case, I would like to be an author.
I think it's better to read and inherit those insights and just imagine what's happening rather than just seeing somebody else's perspective, right? I mean, reading book gives you that power to just create something from those words, no? सबका खुद का perspective होता है अलग.
It transports you, Barkha. I have always been, I grew up reading books. Like when I grew up, there was no television. People who were born in the 70s would know that there was no television when we grew up. So, and we all grew up reading books and maybe, playing something, outdoor sports or whatever, cycling or whatever we had to do, swimming, table tennis, basketball. That is how we all grew up. So for us, it was never a smartphone and sitting in the house and doing it. Yeah, but all very interesting questions, Barkha. Very
But that was
interesting.
so fun. I mean, it was such a fun, amazing conversation. But before we end it, I have a fun one again. We have fill in the blanks. I'll start the sentence and you'll have to complete it with your thoughts. Would you be interested in playing?
Another
this
challenge. Another challenge.
Get
Let's see.
started. Okay.
You'll speak out the first half of the sentence, and I need to complete it with whatever comes to my mind, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So the first one is the most rewarding part of your career is.
The feedback from my clients.
Oh, amazing. The challenge I overcome that shaped who I am today is.
It was the grief of losing my brother and my father.
Something changed in you from that.
When my brother went, I did my B.Ed. When my father went, I did my soft skills. Because I need to divert my attention to something so strong, so rewarding, and so productive that, it helps me, it changes me into a better person. It helps me grow and overcome challenges.
So when I need inspiration, I
Talk to my family.
wow. I mean, what's best then?
I just talk to my whatever they tell me. I mean, that's a true inspiration. They're the people who know me the best. They know what is going on in my mind. When I need inspiration, there must be a reason why I need inspiration, and they know how to inspire me. My husband, my mother, my kids, my in-laws, all of them.
It's so beautiful. Okay. Lastly, the best advice I ever received was.
Best advice I have received is from my mom. She says कि पानी के जैसे बहते रहो, resist मत करो life में कोई भी change. And that is truly the best advice I received. It's a very deep philosophical thing, but yes, the more you resist the change in life, the harder it becomes. That is what I also do. I try to do. Not easy, not at all easy, but I try my best to do that.
But must say you have done it. Like the story and the journey we have just encountered from your words, it was amazing. And I must say कि आपने अपनी mother की advice अच्छे से follow की.
She'll be happy.
So that's a wrap for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed talking and
I loved it.
filling out
Barkha.
your words and stories.
So sweet of you. I thoroughly loved it. I enjoyed it. And I'm truly, truly honored and, so grateful to you for having me at this platform. Thank you so much, Barkha.
Until next time, keep learning and stay inspired. See you again.